Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Official Vintage TV. Today we've got a super cool episode where we're going through 8 essentials that you guys need in your wardrobe. Let's go through them piece by piece, but yeah, let's get started. So starting off with my favorite piece of the essential range is the jorts. Everyone is loving these in Australia at the minute. I love the carpenter ones. These are just a lot more cool, a lot more detail on them. I also love this type of denim as well. But yeah, the jorts, they've been trending for 2 summers at the moment. These are branded Lees. We've got Carhartt ones, got Wrangler ones as well, are also my favorite. But moving on to the next one. So the second essential is a checkered button-up shirt. I love the sleeveless one. This is a vintage Dickies one. I really love the beige color through it. It's a summer essential as well. But this is a super cool piece. You can wear it with a t-shirt underneath to make sure you got a bit of a baggier fit. That's how I like to do it. But yeah, this is a Dickies. This is my second favorite essentials. So if you guys have been watching these videos, I also wear a chain. I love wearing accessories. I love wearing rings, but I love silver chains. Silver just matches my skin tone because I'm a bit darker, but yeah, I love silver jewelry, silver chains. It's just a good little accessory that you can wear. So our fourth essential is a side bag. Everyone's loving the side bag or the crossover bags at the moment. They're just good for a bit of a style. You can look around. Side bags are always good, or the backpack side bags are super in at the moment. Really good essential, looks good on as well. You can fit your camera in there, just fit whatever, fit your phone. But yeah, it's a cool little accessory that you can use as well. Heading into more of the cooler weather, my fifth essential is a quarter zip. Just they're super versatile. You can wear them sort of whenever. But yeah, quarter zips with big spell outs at the front, or a fleece. Love my fleece. I've got a whole bunch of fleece quarter zips that I have in my wardrobe that I pretty much just have on rotation in winter. So if you guys saw our last video, you guys saw my hat collection. I showed you about 15 of my favorite hats. I think this one was in one of them, but yeah, that's gonna be my 6th essential because I love hats so much. I'm a massive advocate for hats. So my 7th essential is shoes. Everyone's loving the Adidas at the moment. This is not going to be a lifetime thing. I think there's always trends changing, but these ones I got at the moment. I just love the colorway on them. Also the ones that are popping at the moment are the camper ones and also the Sambas. But yeah, that's a nice little trend. I'm loving the colorways they're doing at the minute. I'd prefer them over Dunks any day of the week. So for my last essential, you're going to have a Nike windbreaker or a Nike jacket, but this one's super dope. I love the spell out on this and I love the color tones. But yeah, perfect for all year round, especially if you live in Melbourne. It does get cold in the winter nights, or the summer nights, sorry. This is my 8th essential. Make sure you get a windbreaker or just a medium Nike jacket. They're very versatile with everything that you're wearing in your wardrobe, and also if it gets cold, you can put a hoodie underneath. But yeah, that's my 8 essentials. If you got any other essentials that you reckon, make sure you comment below. Make sure you like, subscribe this video. It helps us out a tremendous amount. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. See you next week.